Welcome to the first capacity building workshop organized by Career Services Unit, University of Ilorin. Theme: Strengthening University Capacity Centers for Global Employability. I remain Eniola Akimbola, Unilorin TV.
University of Ilorin, Professor Olashukbo Egbewole, that is going to be ably represented by Dean of Life Science. This mission is driven by the following strategic objectives. Number one, to foster student engagement in career development processes through training, workshops, and job fair. Number two, to produce graduates with strong employability skill sets. The third one is increased linkage and networking opportunities between the university, corporate entities, and the industry. The fourth one is to facilitate job placement for graduates of this university, and last but not least, increase number of graduates that are employed after graduation.
The establishment of the Career Services Unit is in line with the vision of the Vice Chancellor for the University, the vision 1-10-500. And he believes that this Career Services Unit will help to support student career, to advance the vision of the university, and to support the objective of the university. And that's why he made sure that despite the tight schedule and the avalanche of activity that is going on in the university, that is represented here. So I want to welcome each and every one of us to this training, and I want to believe we're going to have a very good and a robust discussion that will benefit each and every one of us, benefit the university, and benefit the country at large. You are welcome, and on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, Professor Olashukbo Egbewole, SAN, the program is declared open. Thank you very much.
The thrust of this workshop is to develop manpower so that we're able to train our students for the life after the university, impart the right skill set on our students. I put it to you that this is the only university today that is doing something of this magnitude.
Thread Fund organizes training for our career advisors in the university. That is organized by the Career Services Unit. And establishment of a Career Services Unit and the appointment of the various career advisors will help to support students in the choice of their careers and in the development of their career. And I want to believe the training will also help the Career Services Unit to be effective in the delivery of their service.
The erudite scholars here, everybody, we're all important this morning. My name is Dr. Adele John. I'm the country director for the Canadian Education Council. I am happy to be here. And I want to announce that this program is not only for students, even faculty members, all of us. We are still developing our careers. So as we go on, you understand, even you, that your yesterday qualification is no longer relevant now. So you need to readjust. How do you expect me to spend 4 years and at the end of the day, the curriculum does not actually give me, it prepared me for the world of work. So, skill mismatch. Somebody studying business at home because it's business, it's now a POS operator. You have a giving witness in your house? Yes?
Yeah, to support the aspiration of the nation to produce ready-made graduates for employability. So the university has taken the bull by the horn by establishing these units, and is headed by a professor, okay? And all the representatives from the faculties are senior persons, either a professor, a senior lecturer, or associate professor, or leaders, as we call them here. So the main purpose is to ensure that we groom the students right from the time they enter into the university and through their stay in the university, and by the time they are exiting, we ensure that they did not just acquire the skills in their different disciplines, they have also acquired the right attitude and the necessary network and the way they can prepare themselves, step into the work environment, which is very competitive, and they become employable or they employ themselves.
Receptive, I can see a lot of them, nodding their head, so excited, taking notes. And my expectation after this program is that they'll be going back to their various faculties and departments to be engaging students on career development and ensuring that they bridge the gap between education, and employment. Focusing on empowering the Unilorin students and graduates by creating linkages between the students, the graduates, and of course the alumni, and by extension faculty members.
So much just by coming here. Usually students do come for career advising, and sometimes we get stuck on what to tell them, especially for students that are really struggling. They just find themselves in microbiology. What do you tell them? But attending the workshop now has been insightful, and I've gained so much, and I believe that by going back to my department now, I'm better equipped on what to tell them when they come around.
It has been quite educative and exciting. It has called our entire attention to core aspects of career guidance and direction for upcoming employees who are going to be produced by the university into the labor market. It has stimulated us to think globally, not just focusing on the student in our front. And it's just not only about talking, but also listening, and also carrying the potential advisee along by coming to their level in terms of emotion and psyche, and also guiding them into how to use the acquired knowledge in the university as a launch pad to participating in the global community by solving problems.
And I've been one of the participants of this workshop, and actually I've gained a lot. It's a very good initiative in the sense that it would help in employability of our graduates. And one key aspect, one key takeaway that I have gained is in terms of awareness. I believe, just as the facilitator has mentioned, that we need to engage in intentional awareness creation.